Hello fan collectors. What I have here is a 2001 Bright Brass Hunter original ceiling fan. Yeah, I bought this last year on Craigslist here in Memphis for about $60. Yeah, it didn't have no blades and no blade arms. And it came with a long pipe. So it took me a while to restore this. Had bought the pipe for about $3 from Hunter. Bought the blades for about $60 from Fan Doctor. And the blade arms, they were hard to find. I bought them for about $45 out in Baton, from a place called Home Appliance out in Baton Rouge. And as you notice, 4 of them are a 12 pitch, but this is a 15 pitch blade iron. Yeah, it took me a while to restore it, and I finally got it done. Okay, let me start it off on high. It is one of the last American-made originals. Even if it was 12 pitch or 15 pitch, doesn't matter. Still blows some nice air. Medium. No. Yeah, reverse time. Right there. I have another Bright Brass, but it's an older model from 1993. I ain't got it installed in my room yet, but when I get the chance, I'll make a video of that one as well. 5-bladed one just like this. One thing about Bright Brass, hate that Hunter discontinued those, because now buying parts and trying to buy them are hard to find these days. So only your best way of finding one is through eBay or Craigslist, or simply on DT Vintage Fans, where anybody can sell some. Okay? Hope you enjoy it.